Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to put a diagonal line in a cell in Google Sheets. So let's begin. First type anything. Step 1, use simply keyboard, press diagonal, hold Ctrl, press enter. Use for the long line example diagonal, hold Ctrl, press enter. Again select wrap and apply step 2. Go to insert tab, drawing, choose the line tool, line or arrow. Example, use arrow. Or up, save and close. Then place anywhere. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.